Welcome to Science. We are on pages 150 and 151. The effects of water pollution on living things. Water pollution affects the environment and the living things that live there. For example, the pollution in a river changes the properties of the water, severely affecting the organisms that use it as a home or as a source of nutrition. In human beings, water pollution causes serious health problems. Observation. A group of students passing by a river observed that in the area near a factory, image 1, that dumps contaminants into the water, there is less wildlife than in other parts of the river, like in image 2. What do you think is causing the difference in the number of living things in each part of the river? There is a difference because one part of the river is polluted and the other is not. According to what you observed, mark the best research questions for this situation. We are going to mark what effects does pollution have on the development of wildlife in the river. Hypothesis. The presence of contaminants harms the development of wildlife inhabiting the river. Predictions. We're going to form two predictions about what is observed. Prediction number 1 is waste is dumped into a river, there will be less plant life. Prediction number 2, if waste is dumped into a river, there will be fewer animals. Experimental procedure. What variable are you working with? In other words, what is the independent variable in this experiment? The presence of pollution. With 4 classmates, we could collect 10 centimeter pieces of aquatic plant Euclea, 2 glass jars of equal size, 1 marker, gravel or small stones, 1 lamp, 1 light bulb, cooking oil, water, 1 plastic syringe, and 1 ruler. Using the marker, label the jars 1 and 2. Put the same amount of gravel in each jar, then plant an Euloria in each. Make sure the Euloria is firmly planted in the gravel. Fill the jars with equal amounts of water, covering the plants completely. Pour the water carefully so that the plant does not come out of the gravel. Add oil to jar 2 with the syringe until a 3 centimeter layer is formed. Be careful while you do this. Place the lamp on a table. Place both jars close to it and at the same distance so that they receive the same amount of light. Observe the experiment daily for 1 week and record any changes in the results section. What do you think will happen to the Euloria plant in each jar? How can you relate these answers to your predictions?